Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 68 of the New England farmhouse renovation. We're actually coming to you from inside the second floor bathroom right now, and it has been painted. So this is really kind of a wacky bathroom. This was renovated much later on. There wasn't a bathroom on the second floor, so they decided to put this bathroom up here. So there are lots of oddities to it. But we're making the best we can out of it. We've got our whole wall patched up here. We have the new ceiling now, so this didn't used to jaw it out. So now we can get a full-size 36-inch door in here, which will be great. It'll be actually the only full-size door on the second floor. But even though it's going to be full-size, it's going to be a bit shorter because we do have this step up here, and that's going to get a little wood plank. So this is primed, this is painted. The only other thing we're going to do is we're going to put our flooring down here in the closet, and that just kind of shows the different levels that we're at right now, and then this is going to get framed in. But going over to framing, so that was really kind of a big thing that we started to do. We started framing everything in today. So you can see here into the kids' room, we've got all of our casements in, and hello, we have our railing in. So this is the railing on the second floor. We don't have the spindles in yet or the balusters, but we do have the newel posts and the railings. And you might think that these new posts look a little odd. Well, this is a 45-degree angle here, and I never really liked 45ing the railing. I never thought that it was really that much more secure when you put it into it. So all I did was I took a square newel post that we have here, and then I just cut it with a 67.5-degree angle, and then I flipped them and put them together. So that gives me 290 degrees at a 45-degree angle. So now these railings are going to go in nice and square, and that's just going to help add to the stability of it. The other thing that we're really kind of working on is we've got two coats on the floor here. So this is walkable. It's not cured yet, so that takes a couple days to cure, so we're still doing things on cardboard just because we don't want to dent it. Back into the kids' room here, we started putting our switches on the door. We started putting the mop boards up, and this was kind of interesting. The radiators in here, and the radiators came in at a different point in the history of the house. So this is 1880s. A lot of things have seen this house. So we used to have old steam upright radiators, and then they put the forced hot water baseboards in here. But when they came in, they just ran the PEX pipe all the way around the perimeter of the upstairs. And so we can actually just jump over here into the master bedroom, and you can see what I'm talking about. So you see the PEX pipe running there, runs into the radiators, keeps going, and you know, even if we go here in the closet, which is still a scary place, you can see that it just keeps running all the way around the perimeter up here, which it's great for the plumber. It goes in quick and easy. But in terms of just trying to mask it, well, that became a little bit of a challenge. And so you see here, it's kind of like a soffit that we went around just to kind of encase the hose. You know, it's not as big as that soffit is there that we put, and so that's hiding the PEX line that's running through there. But that's also hiding the main beam that's supporting that wall. This, we're just hiding the PEX board, and I would love to have that nice tall baseboard heater up here, but because of the depth of that, we couldn't bring it all the way up because there's a slight angle here, and I didn't want that to protrude above it. So this is going to need a lot of caulking and it's going to need a lot of love still, just to kind of make it look like it wants to blend in. So we're still thinking about it, and that kind of slowed things down today. The closets are all painted. That's going to get up and trimmed, and you can see the trims in here. So things are definitely moving along. Are they moving fast enough? Never moving fast enough, but we're trying. Then this closet is done here. It just needs some more casing. So we actually, when I said that we had primed and painted all of our trim boards, well, we had just primed them. So Liz is here now. She's actually upstairs, and she's painting them. So we didn't want to put them in. It's just so much extra work to paint them when they're in, because you just really got to edge it all in, or you got to tape, and we didn't want to do that. So she's up in the barn now. Hey, you know what? I keep talking about her. You guys don't see her. I'm gonna pop up a picture of her painting this closet here. So this This is the mama duck in her natural habitat, as she likes to be called. And so she was here and she was painting, and she's been doing all of this grunt work. And there definitely is a lot of grunt work. I think the painting might do us in on this project, to be sure, because there's so much touch up. But that's it. That's the day number 68. 69 is tomorrow, and then 70, that's the end of it. So 70 days on this project is where we're trying to get to, and yeah, it's been a hell of a ride for sure. And well, let's just see how far we can get tomorrow. But yeah, God, I'm really happy with the way everything's turning out, and this is going to be great when it has the railing on. And then there's also going to be that handrail that just kind of wraps around here. So check back. We're going to have more progress tomorrow, a lot more touching up here, particularly in this foyer, which is just, wow. I'm really happy, even though it's sure a lot of stress. It's really coming out really well. We love the way that everything's tying together, and it's just making this house really feel like one unified piece for the first time in who knows how long. And that words can't even express how awesome that is. I mean, really a good sense of accomplishment. And any job you do, you want that. So we got that in this house. It's been a lot of sweat, blood, and tears, but it's definitely worth it. So check back when this is all said and done. I'm going to do one of those wrap videos where you can see the progress and you get all those before and after pictures. I love that, and hopefully you'll like it too. So tomorrow's day number 69. See you then.